Yellow ladder 480 high torsion motor. Alpha adopt 17 TPA armature. Beta adopt 18 TPA armature. Cool yellow and black color, matching means steel cutting bevel gear. Black aluminum alloy shaft sleeve with ball bearing. Shiny anti-February magnetic steel. Look at how strong the magnetic force is. The motor concentricity adjustment and startup response speed is also very fast. Frequent engine tests can output huge torque instantly. Alpha rotational speed 11.1 volt 33,000 RPM. Beta rotational speed 11.1 volt 31,000 RPM.